vividly believe. Hi. Hi, I'm Wendell the woodpecker. Hi, Wendell. Say, what happened to your beak? Well, that's kind of embarrassing. The other day, I drilled my beak into a metal pole. You think I know wood from metal by now? At least, heavy metal. Ha, get it? Heavy metal. Well, I just gotta be careful.
Wow, that must really hurt.
Yeah, I just gotta be careful not to sneeze. That really hurts.
Wendell, can you help us with something?
Affirmative, little birdie.
We want to know what life is like outside the nest.
Right.
Have you ever been out there?
Sure, lots of times. You know what? It's an awesome place to be. It's awesome.
Really?
We heard of giants. Well, giants, things are pretty big out there, but we birds can usually escape danger if we need to.
Danger? Nope, that sounds it. I want to stay up here with Mama.
Hold up there, Squirt. Don't you know it ain't cool if your mom tells you what to do? Out there, you're your own person. Eat whenever you want to eat, sleep whenever you want to sleep, and watch TV as late as you please. If you want it as a fool, but you're in a picky mood, so choose whatever kind of food you want to do. You can eat the food that's great, skip the stuff you hate, but knowing there is something makes you clean, like you can sleep a party with the mood. Sleeping late tomorrow, come sleep soon. No matter what you heard from any other bird, I think that's awesome. And freedom is the word. Like y'all be in the hang of this. Party on, fair friends. Now, if you feel like rapping or maybe cat having, don't stop it. You can make it anything happen. So when you want to sing, you don't have to wait. But you don't have to sing and sing and not your thing. You don't have to take it back. You have to write, choose your own life path. But if you want life, you're gonna have to try. Up till these are passion. Let's say it again. Go freedom! One more time.